Hi guys, it's Ivy. I am here with a holiday makeup tutorial. I realize it is prime holiday party season and you might want an idea of a classic but pretty look that you could do for your office holiday party or whatever, your family holiday party. I don't know how fancy you guys are, we're not. But this look is done with almost all Charlotte Tilbury products. It took me a while to get on this train, but now I'm on it and I'm not getting off. I love almost everything I've tried from Charlotte Tilbury's line, and a lot of what I was able to try is because I bought the Charlotte's Beauty Universe. It is the most beautiful special edition holiday gift. It's actually an advent calendar. It's behind me there. That's what that burgundy box is. It is just the most exciting gift you could give somebody that loves makeup. So a lot of that is from that advent calendar gift, but a lot of it is just stuff that I bought on Charlotte Tilbury's website. This look does have a classic red lip, but you could definitely sub this out for a lighter color or whatever you're comfortable with. But I feel like if you've always wanted to try a red lip, this is the time to do it. People expect that during holiday party season. The eyes are more emphasized on the outer corners, but I kept the lid light, which I think is the key when you're wanting to try out a little bit more of a nighttime eye, but you don't want it to get into raccoon territory. Keep the darkness concentrated to one area, but don't let it come in too far. Don't let it start to get in here or on the lid itself if you're intimidated by that. If you're not, go for it. Do whatever you want to do. But I also think because we have this bold lip, it is nice to still have some lightness here. We don't want to have like dark eyes and dark brows and lashes and dark lips, because I think sometimes it just confuses people. They don't know where to look when, and that's when it feels like there's a lot of makeup. There's a lot going on. So if you'd like to see how I created this holiday party look, just keep watching. If you don't want to see that, hit stop and go find another video that interests you more. And happy holidays. is the completed Charlotte Tilbury holiday party look that I put together. I hope you enjoyed watching it and seeing how some of the products work. I truly love everything I used in this video, and I'm kind of mad because I love it all. It's not cheap. I want to buy everything. I'm going to buy everything probably. Charlotte Tilbury is sold on her site, which is actually where I'd recommend you purchase it probably, because you get lots of samples and they have more of like the special edition items. But she is sold on Sephora now. Not her herself. She is not selling herself. She is selling her products on Sephora.com, and then I think there's a few other retailers. Some are more UK based, but your best bet is charlottetilbury.com, and then Sephora as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to hit play on this video. Subscribe to it if you'd like to get notified when I do more of them, which is not that often, honestly. I write more on my blog, so go to wakeupformakeup.com, and I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much, and happy holidays.